Hello and welcome back to the channel. Here I've got an old Mars Hercules lathe. I believe it's around the 1950s roughly. I've owned it for about 25 years I suppose. And the tailstock's always been a bit funny on the clamping side of it since I owned it. And I never bothered looking into it. I just never had the time really. Just do a job and that was it. And the other week it failed. It wouldn't clamp. And what I discovered was this here. Someone had, well, the previous owner obviously, had it broke. So they brazed it up. And they probably did a pretty good job because it lasted many years. And finally give away. Anyway, I needed it in a hurry, so I just cut out a quick block and jammed a hole in it and ran with it. So I thought, now I own a shaper, now would be a good time to put the rebates in it. So yeah, it's about time I'd done it, I think. So let's do it. So what I think I'll do is, I'll measure the width of this one, which I know fits. It's 51.55, and I'll zero them, and then I'll measure that, which gives me 9.88. So if I put in 9.88 into the computer, divide that by 2, so I've got to take out 4.94, so 5 mil each side. That shouldn't be too hard to do. Close enough. A quick mark. If you can see that there, but not much to take off. And I've got good. I'm just going to manually feed it down roughly the right depth, and I'll shift over and then feed down again. The depth isn't all that critical really. I'm just going to go down to where I think is good enough, and it'll be plenty good enough. Go back out, drop that down again. I'm just manually feeding it over at the moment. Okay, I've spun the part around in the vise and touched up the tool. Let's see if it's going to cut any better or not, so that's yet to be seen. I've also this time set up an indicator, which I was probably too lazy last time to do, to get me 5mm of across. So I'll fire it up and see how we go this time, see if it's going to be a win or a lose. Okay. Milk. So here we go. I've got my metric dial indicator on there at the moment. I should really grab the other one, but I didn't. Okay, 4mm. And I think I actually stuffed that measurement up. Wouldn't be surprised. I'll hide that. That's bloody close. I would have cut this other side wider than what I thought. I did. Cut it to 7mm. Well, might as well make one side the same as the other, I guess. We'll shift over another mil. I know what I was thinking there before. Obviously wasn't thinking properly. Out. across. I'm only going to eyeball the depth. I don't believe it's that crucial. Zoom out a little bit here. .5 of a millimetre to go. Snake on that so we don't get chatter hopefully. Here we go. There we have it. I'll grab a file and deburr it. There we go, all back together. Another job off the list. I know my list is fairly long, so now we can cross one more off the bottom. Only a short one, little job, but at least it's done. Thank you very much for joining me. If you like, leave a comment, that'd be really good. Hit the like button, subscribe, it'd be even better. Much appreciated if you did. So anyway guys, I'll see you on the next project. See you later.